So one of the things I do every year is cut that banana tree back. It sort of dies off in the wintertime. And I cut it off just about even with the ground, and next year it grows back. So it's a good time to do that. It's nice. It's a nice day. It's not terribly cold. It's not all wet. I haul this out back and lay it off to the side in the edge of the woods, and it sort of deteriorates on its own down there. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do this morning. I'm gonna get my handy dandy little Ryobi saw out here. We're gonna lock these things down and let them fall in the trailer and haul them off. Oh, the joy. This would be a good time to get the pressure washer out and wash this thing. This stuff grows on things. It's, I don't know, pollen or whatever. Anyway, yeah, I noticed the side of the building there could use washing too. I might need to do all that stuff pretty soon. Oh, the joy. That little place right here where the trailer's sitting, it used to be very much downhill, and I started some time ago throwing old wood scraps and these banana trees and stuff like that down in there to level this up and fill it in. Come a long way since way back when. I'm gonna try. I don't know if I can back the trailer out or just pull it forward. If I could pull it forward, I could park it down there, and that would get it pretty much out of the way. I might do that. Try that anyway. Let me set y'all over here. Oh, you can watch me try and get out of here. Oh, the joy. I think what I'll do is move this. I've got an old piece of I don't know what that is, a piece of a truck bed or a piece of a little drag along sled thing, but I think I can stick my trailer right here. Over side of the road. It's cool enough, or it should be, so that I don't have to worry about snakes right now. But there's always something to be concerned about. I'm just trying not to disturb any snakes. It's warmer than it has been lately, but I don't think it's warm enough for the snakes to be out of hibernation yet. So I'm just gonna stick the trailer out of there. Get it in there. I've got this old engine stand for sale. It's a big one, big enough to put a diesel on. Probably ought to go drop the price on it. I don't anticipate I'm going to need that again, although I was talking about putting an LS engine in that truck the other day, and I might want to use that again if I get one of them. Sit it in there and do all my setting up, tune-up work before I stick it in the truck. I might just let that sit where it's at for now. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy. I hear somebody yelling at some dogs. I don't think it's my dog. I think it's my neighbor's dogs. But I'll go see. I got a neighbor that's got some. She takes care of dogs that are not. A lot of people don't want, and they might be old or they might be a bad temperament. She tries to restore them so that somebody might want them, that she can teach them to be more sociable or something. I think Buddy's out though, so I better go up here and check to make sure Buddy ain't up here. Hey there, little man. We just came up here to check on you. We heard some dogs barking. We just want to make sure you wasn't in no mischief up here. Look what a good boy you are. Daddy, I'm the best good boy ever. Ain't you? Yeah. I'm a good boy, Daddy. I'm a very good boy. Everybody on YouTube loves you, you know. They think you're handsome. You're a handsome little fella. There you are. Bless your heart. Look at your ears. You got one up and one down, sort of. All right, what else we going to get into today? So I got some stuff in here that I used on the house before. It is this stuff right here called Outdoor Cleaner, and you can that little container, you can hook a water hose to it. You can spray it on your house, and it helps to get that algae. It says algae, mold, and mildew. Helps to get that stuff off. So I'll probably be wanting to do that again, but I might wait a little longer and let it warm up a little more before I do that. My garage is getting a little bit more in kind of shape where I can see the floor. I might spend some time in here today. I want to do some stuff with some of these cutting torch things. So yeah, I might do something like that. We'll see how it goes.